Hey, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most interesting and exciting topics of all times, how to make money online fast. Now, who doesn't want to earn some extra cash? And if you can do it from the comfort of your home, wouldn't it be just perfect? So, let's get started and explore some ways to make money online fast. Number 1. Freelancing. The first and probably the most popular way to make money online is freelancing. You can sell your skills like writing, graphic designing, programming, or even voiceover services on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Not only do these platforms offer you a wide range of opportunities, but they also connect you with clients from all over the world. You can work from anywhere you want and set your own schedule. So, if you're good at something, why not turn it into a profitable source of income? Number 2. Online surveys. Online surveys are another easy way to make money online fast. There are many websites that pay you for taking surveys, sharing your opinions, or testing products. Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research are some popular sites where you can sign up for free and start earning cash. Although you won't get rich by taking surveys, it can be a good side hustle to make some extra bucks in your spare time. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a website with a decent amount of traffic, you can make money online fast with affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale you make. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank are some of the popular affiliate networks where you can find products to promote. Just make sure you choose products that align with your audience's interests and needs. Number 4. Online tutoring. If you're good at teaching, you can make money online by tutoring students from all over the world. You can teach anything from math and science to languages and music. Websites like VIPKid, Cambly, and Kids offer online tutoring opportunities where you can earn up to $20 per hour. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a quiet space, and a passion for teaching. So, there you have it, guys. These are some of the most effective and easy ways to make money online fast.